Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're comparing two of the most popular digital whiteboard tools out there, Miro and Mural. Whether your team is brainstorming ideas, running workshops, or planning projects remotely, choosing the right collaboration tool can make a huge difference. So, stick around as we break down which one is best for your team. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech breakdowns. Let's start with ease of use. Miro is often praised for its clean and intuitive interface. It's incredibly easy to jump in and start using right away, perfect for teams that want to move fast without a steep learning curve. Mural, on the other hand, is also user-friendly, but it's a bit more structured and might take a little extra time to get used to. However, that structure can be an advantage if your team runs a lot of organized workshops or design sessions. When it comes to real-time collaboration, both tools are fantastic. Miro allows multiple users to work together seamlessly on the same board. You can see everyone's cursors moving around in real time, add sticky notes, and leave comments instantly. Mural offers similar functionality, but it's especially popular with design and innovation teams who run workshops or sprints. If your team thrives on creative brainstorming, Mural gives you a great set of collaboration tools to make that process more engaging. Next up, let's talk about templates. Miro comes with a massive library of pre-made templates, from project roadmaps and retrospectives to customer journey maps and agile boards. It's perfect for teams that want a jump start without building everything from scratch. Mural also has a strong selection of templates, but it's particularly focused on design thinking and innovation frameworks, which is great for creative teams and consultants who run structured sessions. Now, one of the most important factors, integrations. Miro wins this round hands down. It connects with almost every major platform: Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Jira, Notion, and many more. Mural also integrates with popular tools like Slack and Teams, but it doesn't have quite as wide a range as Miro. So if your team uses lots of different apps, Miro's ecosystem is more flexible. Let's move on to pricing. Both tools offer free plans with limited boards, and both scale up with additional features as you grow. However, Mural's paid plans are typically a little more affordable for small teams or startups, while Miro's plans are a better fit for larger organizations that need more advanced functionality and integrations. In terms of performance and reliability, both platforms do well, but Miro tends to handle large, complex boards more smoothly, especially when multiple people are collaborating at once. That said, Mural's performance is solid, and for smaller teams or lighter boards, you probably won't notice much difference. So, which one should you choose? If your team needs a versatile tool that can handle everything from brainstorming to project planning, and you want a wide range of templates and integrations, Miro is your best bet. But if your focus is more on design thinking, innovation, or structured collaboration workshops, Mural might be the perfect match. Both tools are great, and the right choice really depends on your team's workflow and priorities. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you decide which digital whiteboard is right for your team. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tech comparison. And tell me in the comments, are you Team Miro or Team Mural? I'd love to hear what your team is using and why. Until next time, keep collaborating and stay productive.